In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect your existing Shopify store to TuneHere.Page. This allows your fans to browse and select products directly on your website, right up until the final checkout. Initial setup. Currently, this site has no store connected. I've made the merch module visible, but since it isn't set up yet, no products are appearing. To fix this, first go to Settings, then Merch Settings, and select Shopify. Connecting the store. Here, you need to enter your store's domain name. You can find and copy this from your Shopify home screen. I'm using a test account named TuneHere.Test1. I'll paste that into the settings and tap the Connect button. This will navigate you to the official Shopify login page to authorize the connection. Rest assured, your password and username are never stored on TuneHere.Page. After logging in, Shopify will ask for confirmation to allow the app in your store. Because the app is currently under review, you will see a warning message. This is perfectly normal. Choose Install to proceed. Once authorized, we are navigated back to the TuneHere.Page settings, and you can see the app is connected. You can disconnect this at any time by tapping Disconnect. Synchronizing products. Now, tap Sync Products. This action synchronizes your Shopify inventory directly into your TuneHere store. Let's look at the website now. In the Merch module, we can see 17 products have been imported. Display options. You can choose to display your entire inventory or only selected collections. As you toggle these options, you'll see the product count change automatically. I'll select the Outfit and Vinyl collections. I'll click Save, then Preview. Now we only see the specific collections I selected. If you want to show all products, simply choose that option, then Save and Preview. You can also customize the layout in design mode, choosing between a product grid or a carousel. The fan experience. Let's see how this looks for your fans. A visitor simply taps a product to see the price and variations. They can set their quantity and add to basket. I'll add a brown t-shirt in size large and maybe a few others. You can see the basket update here. Inside the basket, fans can adjust quantities. Setting an item to 0 removes it. Final checkout and security. Once they are ready to buy, they tap the Checkout on Shopify button to complete the final step on the official Shopify website. This is a standard workflow designed for your fans' security, ensuring TuneHere.Page never holds any private payment information. From this point, the payment procedure is straightforward. They enter their information and receive their order. That's it. You're all set.